Hi everyone, my name is Roland Guijt and welcome to my course Creating Blazor Components. I'm a Microsoft MVP and independent consultant and trainer based in the Netherlands. Blazor is an excellent framework to write single-page applications while using just C# as the programming language. The focus of this course is on writing Blazor components from beginner to advanced level. Some of the major topics that we will cover include component basics, how to create your first component, how components can interact using a multitude of features, and reusing components to the max with component templates. By the end of this course, you will understand the internals of Blazor components, plus you will be able to write any functionality for your Blazor app you want. Before beginning the course, you should have getting started level knowledge about Blazor. Get ready to experience the power of Blazor with my course Creating Blazor Components at Pluralsight.